Hey, Psycho, can we write a song?
Well, sure we can.
Huh, who, huh, what? 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 Huh, who, I'm gonna go to the store. I've got a few gummy worms in my pocket. I'm looking for a hippo. This is very scary. I walk into my room like, hey, where's my big sock? I'm so pumped just to listen to some kids pop. Nice old man always like to give me frosties, and I'm like, hey, that's a spoon worth licking. Rolling in hella mud, headed to the mainstream. Dressed in many leaves, except my crotch that's green. Dressed in a bed sheet, girls laying next to me. Probably should get rid of this. Smells like my grandma's undies. Poop. But hey, look, I found a button. I'm hugging it, judging, about to go and get some confidence. Passing all those mannequins, someone else has been touching them, but me and Slinky crunking it. I'm strutting it, I'm flossing it, I'm fighting cavities, and I'm happy that Tony's dead. I'ma eat your Cheerios, I'ma eat your Cheerios. No, for real, look in your closet, I'm eating all your Cheerios. Panic poncho and some fresh Jordans. Crispy Yoda Fruit Loop that I found, eat it. I saw a working TV, I made a broken TV. I bought a dank blanket, then I rode a skateboard. Oh, my tongue got upset. Call of Duty ain't got nothing on this game, oh hell no. I could do some parkour, make a cool montage. Those Nintendo fans be like, aw, he got the power. I'm gonna go to the store, I've got a few gummy worms in my pocket. I'm looking for a reptile, this is very scary. I'm gonna go to the store, I've got a few gummy worms in my pocket. I'm looking for a push-up, this is very scary. What you know about the dirt in your garden? What you know about irrigation potting? Man, I'm digging, I found a dead body. One man's problems is another man's dinner. So thank your granddad for donating his body, cause right now I'm eating all of his toenails. I'm at the point of no return. I'm getting sick of this guy. I'm laughing, I'm crying, I'm spitting, I'm freestyling. I'll take that foxy zebra spandex and graze in the nice yard. Mother heifer, I built a windmill to produce energy. Mother heifer, I hate snails cause they don't walk. Mother heifer, people say, hey, that's really tight. And I'm like, yo, that's a very good observation. Limited precipitation, I need the pediatrician. This t-shirt was a very horrible idea. I'm very claustrophobic and I'm trembling. I call that being tricked by women. That girl's really cute, and drinking milk 6 weeks past its expiration is a hella don't. Creep game, looking at girls through my super scope, trying to get girls from Craigslist is a hella yes. It's a hella yes.
Psycho! Getting down! Yeah!
I'm gonna go to the store, I've got a few gummy worms in my pocket. I'm looking for a gumball. This is very scary. I'm running down the street. Someone is chasing me. I think it's that Craigslist girl chasing me right down the road. I'm running down the street. Oh no. Someone is chasing me.
Stop it!
I think it's that Craigslist girl.
Chasing
me right down the road.
Let's go!
I'm gonna go to the store. I've got a few gummy worms in my pocket. I'm looking for an exit. This is very scary.
Was that Barbra Streisand?
Oh yeah, well she looked really scary, didn't she?